Good fucking morning. I've been working 10, 11 hours every day these days, and gym-wise, I'm only working out a little 5 sets, 10 sets each per muscle group. So it was different from last week where I worked out twice a day, and I'm feeling so much pain this week. So much pain this week because I've been working on strength. And in terms of work, I've been working 10, 11 hours because I'm going to take Google Cloud Computing Cloud Architect exam, which is called a GCP Cloud Architect. Today's Thursday, today's Monday, and today's Tuesday. So I've been working pretty long hours every day. 8 hours normal work plus 2-3 hours extra after work to study and then go through videos and whatnot. So that's kind of my life. And last weekend I studied whole day, Saturday, Sunday. So I'm working like 60 hours a week, kind of, maybe more than that. But you know, this is not the standard how much I work every single day. Obviously I'm preparing for exams, so that's why I'm adding extra times. Also, from this Thursday, temperature, weather is gonna be so good, like a 20 degree, 18-20 degree summer, sunny weather. So if you know weather is so nice, then I'm discouraged to go to office and study or stay home and then study. And that's why I decided, okay, you know what, this, 3 degree, 5 degree outside, this is like perfect time to just stay inside and study. Because how else are you going to spend time like outside if it's cold? So yeah, definitely I can do 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. But I just wanted to use my time very effectively, winter, springtime, and then I'm going to take advantage of good weather and longer days after work in the summertime. And in terms of Google Cloud Platform, Google Computing Platform, Google Cloud Platform, GCP exam, I think I might fail because I checked people's comment about latest exam, which got renewed 2018 November, so it was like end of last year. It got renewed, and they are saying that the exam started covering new topics, and it got much difficult. So, and all the course materials, like video courses that I've been going through, are not up to date with the latest version 2 of the GCP exam, which means that they might not cover the topics that new exam's gonna ask us. That's what some of the students were talking about in the comments in the forum. So for me, I thought I'm gonna postpone this exam for like 2 weeks because I feel like I need to cover a lot more materials. But at the same time, I wouldn't know unless I take exam which section that I need to really focus on. I know some students say like a BigQuery, data store, indexing, partitioning, stuff like that. Stuff that is covered more in a data engineering exam. But to be honest, I might be able to pass, I might not be able to. And the point was to not be perfect and to not be scared about taking exam because I can fail. If I fail, that's fine. I can focus on like what I'm going to need to learn from based on the feedback from exam. I can take exam in 2 weeks, so I decided why not. And plus I'm gonna be taking exam this Thursday afternoon, and then Thursday 6 p.m. I'm gonna go to Prague. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, I'm gonna be in Prague. It's a long weekend here. So if I have 4 days, like vacation kind of holiday, and then come back and try to take a cloud architect exam, then it's gonna be tough because kind of forget about all that stuff in my memory, right? So that's how I plan about it. That's how I plan about cloud architect exam. Obviously, I don't want to fail because it's $200 exam, but it's a company's training expense, and people fail, so it's fine. So that's a Google Cloud Architect exam. I'll give you that update. Because I'm pretty sure it's pretty tough, and that you need to read a book called Google Site Reliability Engineering ebook, which is must for site reliability engineer or DevOps. I haven't read that, but I have gone through Linux. I started just going through Linux Academy's video about GCP Cloud Architect. Before that, I've been through Coursera's GCP Foundations Essentials, taught by Google instructors, but those are kind of foundational stuff. This is mocha protein shake, whey protein. This is kind of breakfast for me. Today's a low carb day, so I'm not eating much rice or pasta or banana. I'm restricting carbohydrates, and I'm eating a lot of protein and a high fat food, so that my body's gonna burn body fat as a source of energy. And then 2 days from now, I'm gonna go back to medium carb, and then after high carb day. High carb day is where I do squat and bench press for strength. Alright, aside from that, I went through a Coursera course. I went through Udemy practice exams created by WizLab. I did 3 sets of 50 questions. And also I did a Coursera's practice exam. So at this point, I have done almost everything. And then Linux Academy's video course is kind of like a wrap up. I'm just fast forwarding by 2 times the speed, and trying to find something that I haven't learned by skimming through. Then I'm going to go through and skimming through some data engineering courses contents, because some students asked about BigQuery, data store, partitioning, indexing, kind of database, big data stuff, columnar storage. And then I need to read a Google documentation about best practices for indexing, best practices for partitioning, stuff like that. I need to read documentation, which is like kind of boring. It's kind of hard to get focused on. And then lastly, I don't think I have time for this Thursday, but I need to read a Google Site Reliability Engineering book. If I don't have time, that's fine. I'm gonna read it maybe next time. Like I feel the need to read, or maybe if I fail, that's a good time to like really read and then really understand and then dig deep down the concepts about those monitoring, about availability, about security, all that kind of stuff. So I'm not really feeling desperate or anything like that. I've done most of my hard work, and so if I fail, then it's a good opportunity to kind of complement my knowledge, kind of have extra knowledge about adding extra layers of foundation layer by reading the Google Site Reliability Engineering book, which is pretty highly recommended for all the DevOps and cloud SRE software engineers out there. And yeah, I'll try my best, but today I'm gonna work probably 8 hours plus 4 hours, maybe 12 hours. I'm not going to gym today, and tomorrow I'm gonna work like extra at night as well. and then Thursday is the exam day. So I'll let you know how it goes. All right, peace.